जनता के सवाल और उनका सीधा जवाब। आम बजट पेश करने के बाद वित्त मंत्री ने पहली बार देश की जनता के साथ सीधा संवाद किया। ट्विटर पर लोगों ने वित्त मंत्री से आयकर सीमा, आंध्र प्रदेश को विशेष पैकेज, मनरेगा के बजट और जीएसटी से लेकर आजकल काफी चर्चा में रहे भूमि अधिग्रहण को लेकर भी सवाल पूछे और अपनी शंकाओं का निवारण किया।
This person who goes by the Twitter handle Yeda Yogi, I don't know what his real name is saying, why didn't the FM increase the exemption limit, which he wanted about a year back? There you go. There's some old article of yours, I think you wanted the IT slab at 5 lakh at that time.
At today's level of inflation in India, if you want to put more monies in the pocket of small people, small earning people, we have to raise our limits. Now today my fiscal capacity doesn't permit me to do so. So last year from 2 lakhs, I raised it to 2.5 lakhs. I gave other rebates also. So this year today, I gave 3 or 4 distinct, I gave relief in terms of medical treatment and health insurances as a part of my commitment to social security. The second, transportation. Third is a very important thing I did. I again permitted a 50,000 rupee deduction under section 80CCD for those who invest in the national pension scheme.
वित्त मंत्री द्वारा इस बार के बजट में शुरू की गई सोने के सिक्के जारी करने की योजना पर भी लोगों ने सवाल पूछे।
How does this gold monetization work for individuals? What does he tell his mother who likes to buy gold at every festival?
In India, Indians are passionately attached to gold. But if you just keep raw gold, it's a dead asset. So what I have tried to do is to unlock this dead asset by offering 3 schemes. Scheme 1, you can deposit your gold with the bank. The bank can utilize that gold further and give you a nominal rate of interest. Otherwise, you are not getting any interest. So the second advantage of gold is don't buy gold. So those who buy it in order to hedge inflation, that the gold prices will go up. So I said the government will come out with a scheme where gold bonds will be issued. And the third, let us officially use the gold within the country to make gold coins so that people officially have them and that will have the Ashok Chakra on it.
टॉकेथन नाम के इस कार्यक्रम में जाने माने लेखक चेतन भगत ने एंकर की भूमिका निभाई और लोगों के सवालों को वित्त मंत्री के सामने रखा। बजट पेश करने के बाद आम जनता से सीधे मुखातिब होने की वित्त मंत्री की यह कोशिश अपने आप में एक नई पहल है। ऋषि कुमार, डीडी न्यूज, दिल्ली।